Good morning, students. In this video of social studies, we will learn more about early humans, the taming of animals, discovery of metal, and invention of wheel. So, be ready with your canopy book. You have to read along with me. Students, we will start our video with good thought. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Give your best to your studies and everything. The result will be always in your side. So, again, I am repeating our thought. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Now, let's start our lesson. First, taming of animals. After settling down in villages, early humans also started taming animals. Tamings means they give instruction to animals and animals follow that instructions. They learned that some animals such as horses, donkeys, cow, bullocks or dogs could be tamed more easily than others. Animals such as horses, donkey, cow, bullocks or dogs could be tamed more easily than others. First, they used to carry load on themselves, as you can see on the screen. Animals carrying their own load. Then the idea must have came about taming of animals. They used these animals for plowing their farmlands. Now you will see on the screen animals used as a means of transport, animals used to carry loads, and animals used for plowing the farmlands. They use these animals for plowing their farmlands. What else they got from animals? Yes, they also got food such as milk and meat from these animals. Till now also we get milk, meat from these animals. Then they started using animals to plow the land. Now, how transport developed? How transport developed? Early humans still had to walk long distances and carry heavy loads. They had to carry the animals that they killed. They also had to carry wood used for making fire and for constructing houses. Then they started using animals to carry their load. The animals they had tamed were used for carrying loads. This made the work of transporting loads a little easier. This made the work of transporting loads a little easier. Experts believe that someone someday must have noticed logs of wood floating in the river. Experts believe that someone someday must have noticed logs of wood floating in the river. An idea must have struck. A number of straight logs were tied together to make a raft. You can see on the screen picture of raft. Yes, this is raft. Early humans used this raft in river. In river. What is raft? A number of straight logs were tied together to make a raft. R-A-F-T, raft. This helped early humans. This helped early humans to travel and also carry heavy loads by river. But still, traveling and transporting heavy loads by land was difficult and slow. they got an idea of raft, but on land it was still difficult and slow. At first they made craft that could be pulled along the ground. This is sledge, as you can see on the screen. Sledge. The people pushed and pulled the sledge themselves. They were called sledges. The people pushed and pulled the sledge themselves. They also used animals to pull sledges. But sledges could move only on smooth grounds. Invention of wheel. Then came the invention of wheel. Sometime later, early humans must have seen round logs of wood rolling down a hill. They realized that round things could move much more easily on land. You can see on the screen how wheel was invented. So they fitted small pieces of tree trunks below their carts. This car could move easily on uneven ground. Thus, the wheel was invented. Land travel now became easier and faster. It was now possible to transport heavy stones to build better houses. The invention of wheel is considered to be a landmark in the history of humankind. The invention of wheel is considered to be a landmark in the history of humankind. Discovery of metal. Now comes the discovery of metal. The early humans discovered that metals such as copper and iron could be produced by melting some rocks. If we melt some rocks, metals could be produced. These metals could be used to make better tools. Using this metal tools, humans could now clear forest. And they get land for growing crops. So they could clear the land and grow crops. These words you have to write in your notebooks. These are words to remember, important words with their meaning. Weapons. What are weapons? Things used to attack or defend. Tame, make easy to control. Plow, tool usually drawn by animals used to turn the soil. This all 6 words which is on page number 59 you have to write down in your notebook. Discover, to find or learn about something for first time. Invent, to make something that did not exist before. Read the chapter 2 times. Okay, thank you.